Page attribute.
Yeah, page attributes completed.
Yeah.
Next we'll see page block. Page block in Visual Force. Page block in Visual Force. Page block. The page block, why we will give. Using page block, we will divide the pages into different sections. Different sections we will divide. The apex page block. Write down apex colon page block. Apex colon page block. Represents an area of a page. Area of a page that users styling similar look and feel of Salesforce details. Look and feel of Salesforce details. So we will do one example, then you will understand what exactly. Page block example. Page block example 1. Example 1. In application directly you can do otherwise. So what is the first element? Let me write in directly. Developer console. Everyone connect to your developer console. Everyone connect to developer console. Create a new Visual Force page. Page block example 1. Page block example 1. Page block example 1. Illegal name. Okay, let me give page block example. Page block example 1. So section header, you know, right? Already we completed, no? Apex. How we will write? Apex colon. Section header. Title. Write down my everyone. Title. Take intelligence, whatever they're showing. That will be easy. Instead of typing. Employee. Title equal to new employee. Equal to new employee. Help equal to test page. If it is there, then you can refer to test page. This is the page block section header. This is just a section header. We'll write page block. Page block page block. This is the first page block I am creating. Everyone create. Page block, we will give some heading. Title equal to employee details. Title equal to employee details. Everyone writing now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Details. Till help title equal to need help. Guys, this is not required. Just let it be. Inside we will write first name, colon, last name. We will give some break tag, you know, right? Dash like this you have to give. This is a mono tag. This is not a pair tag. Mono tag. Line break. This is the line break. Save it. Some error we are getting here. What is that? Help URL you have to give. Help title. Help URL also we will give. Dash. X slash. I think I am referring test. My page name is test. All errors gone now. You can see the preview how it will be. Everyone completed up to here?
No, sir.
Page
No, sir.
block. See the preview now. So this is the page design. It is dividing as a section. It is dividing as a different section. Everyone got it? Test page
Yes.
is there. The test page is there. When you click on help button, test page, already it is there. If you create, it will redirect. Otherwise, it will give error. 404 something. First name, last name. Like this design will show. Everyone able to do?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Anyone facing problem? We'll see example 2. Page A block example 2. Create one more page. Page A block example 2. Page block example 2. W is not working. This system. Page block example 2. Right. So we'll create a page block. Let me copy paste from there. First page block section. Create everyone page block. Title account. Title equal to account. All possibilities with attributes. Let me copy paste again one more time. This one same thing. You also do same thing. Don't type each and every line. Title equal to account. Let it be second part also. Line 1. Break. Line 2 break. Just content I'm adding inside the page block. This is without content. This is with content. I will add one more attribute for this third one. Third page block. Page block 3. I'll give tab style equal to lead. In leads, what kind of style is there? Same thing it should display here in the leads object. What kind of tab style is there? Same thing it will display. Tab style equal to lead if you give. Let me copy these two contents inside that. Line 1, line 2. And take one more page block. One more page block I'm taking. One more page block. Let it be account only. Help already we saw, right? Help and all we saw. What is there? Okay, one more with help, one more we will write. Help title. Need help. Need help. Help URL equal to /apex /apex slash here one more property we have render. Rendered equal to true I will give. Rendered equal to true or false. After that, you need to change to false. What will happen? We have to see. If you change to false, how it will be. If you give true, how it will be. Got it? Complete this one, everyone. Completed. See the preview, how it is showing. See, like this, the page design is coming. This one is pink color. Why this is pink color? Can anyone tell me? Why this is showing as pink color?
Tab style.
Tab style equal to what you given? Lead.
Yes.
Standard object. See, if you go to leads tab, see the color, how it will be? Pink color only, right? That's why this is showing same thing. Your page also, your visual force page also showing lead style. That's why we given. Complete this one, everyone. Just to see the preview.
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Render true given now. Render false you give and just check once. What will happen? Render false if you give. Everyone completed. You can write later these examples in your notebook for the reference. Otherwise, after 90 days, your trial head will not work. So that time will be problem. So what you have to do, if you are using laptop, immediately take this, copy in the notepad, and the notepad save in your local. You're getting my point. Otherwise, after the class, you sit and write all these things. What will happen after some time? After 90 days, this trial head will not work, right? So that time, whatever you practiced, everything it will go. That's why what I'm telling, just copy paste in your notepads, save in your local. Page block example 1, like that. Completed.
Yes.
Done. Everyone.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Little fast. People need to do. Don't take
Yes, sir.
much time. Need to see so many examples. Hope everyone completed. Still anyone is doing? Tell me.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay. Next slide reading. Apex command buttons. Command buttons. How to create a buttons. How to create a buttons. It is a child component. It is a child component of Apex form. It is a child component of Apex form. What it will do? This will create a buttons on the page. This will create a buttons on the page. This will create a buttons on the page. Attributes. Attributes. See what are all attributes we have? Buttons. Value. Value is the attribute. First attribute value. So this is a string. This is a string. This will be displayed. Be displayed as label on the button. Label on the button. Second attribute is disabled. Second attribute is disabled. The minimum count, so many will be there, but regularly whatever we are using, that attributes you should know. Even other attributes also will be there. This is a Boolean value. This is a Boolean value. What will happen? When you set it true, when you set it true, button will be displayed. Button will be displayed. Displayed in disabled mode. Button will be displayed in disabled mode. Button will be displayed in disabled mode. Actions. Next one is action. Button, what action will be there? Button click here. When we click on the button, the action will perform. Action will be performed. When we click on the button, action will be performed. Click event. button always click event only. Render. Whether you want to go to server visit or not. Rendered. One more is rendered. Rendered property, it is also a Boolean value. It is a Boolean value. It is a Boolean value. See, what will happen when you set true? When we set true, this will display the content. This will display the content. When we set it true, this will display the content. When we set it true, this will display the content of the component. Content of the component. Default value, if you are not giving also, default value is true. Default value is true. Default value is true. If you are not setting anything also, it will set to true. Another property, re-render. Re-render. What will happen re-render case? Only that particular component, it will refresh. Only that particular portion of the page will refresh. The re-render, if you give true or false. Write down, it will specify. It will specify which component the page should be refreshed. We click. When we click on the button. When we click on the button. When we click on the button. So we'll see all possibilities of different types of buttons. What are all different types of buttons will be there? How can we create buttons? Writing part everyone completed up to here?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Go to application, everyone. Everything you have to practice in Trailhead here only. Developer console. Maybe whenever you get some content, I will teach you. Only that portion you can write in your notebook. Most of the things practice we have to do. Create a Visual Force page. Button. Command button example. This is command button. Command button example. Command button example. We will take in the form apex colon form events, form controls inside the form. For this form, I will give one ID. ID equal to 1. ID equal to 1. This is the form. So try to create all possibilities of your buttons. Apex colon command buttons. What buttons it is? Command buttons. Value equal to submit. Value equal to submit. Let me copy all possibilities. Different attributes we will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more I will take. Just copy paste this one, everyone. I will change the values and some extra attributes we will add. First one, let it be normal button, command button, value equal to submit, what it will display. I will give value ABCD, disabled Boolean value, Boolean, disabled is a Boolean, disabled let it be true, disabled, second button just added disabled. How it will work, we have to see. Cancel, action equal to some page redirect, apex slash. I have test page, that's why every time I'm giving this. If you have the page name, you can give it. Double quotes. Page URL. When you click on this cancel, it will redirect to page. Apex another visual force page. The action method I'm calling, the actions I'm calling another page. It is redirecting to another page. Delete. Re-rendered equal to false, I will give here. Re-rendered. Re-rendered equal to false. That re-rendered. Let me take it again. Re-rendered equal to false. We will. What will happen without us? Action. Re-rendered equal to re-rendered first one. Re-render. One more also I'll give. Re-render equal to some object name will give. Some name and some CSS content we will use. Another button. Style. Style equal to background. Style equal to background colon yellow. Color colon red. So these are the CSS. Here you can use semicolon. Red semicolon. Width also we will define. Width colon semicolon first. Background here also semicolon. This is CSS. Cascading style sheets. HTML, CSS, JavaScript client side. We will use something wrong here. We will see. Command button value. Old CSS style. I think style is some problem. Let me check once. Background yellow. Sorry, here colon. This is the value I am assigning. This is a colon, here semicolon. This is one black. Color red is one black. Width 100 pixels is another block. Everywhere semicolon is how to put. Double quotes. Now save it. Must be terminated double quotes. Something wrong.
Cancel. Test slash. Test.
Slash is required here. Okay. Here.
Yes,
Not
yes.
slash.
After double command.
For you people, it's working. Yeah, now it's gone. First, take this one, everyone. First, after that, we will see the preview. We'll analyze all possibilities of buttons. The writing. Everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
You see the preview, how it is showing. See the preview. See like this, it is displaying. Submit. ABC, I am not able to click because of you given ABC here. ABC, you are not able to click. It is displaying, button is displaying, but you are not able to perform any actions on that. What is the reason? Disabled equal to true you given. Disabled equal to true you given. Next, if I click on cancel button, what will happen? The page will redirect to test page. The page should redirect to test page, but some problem here, that's why it's not displaying. In slash, we have to remove. This slash I will remove. Again, it will refresh. Now, click on cancel button. The cancel button is going to test page. Everyone observing them?
Yes.
This is the code and this is the design. Go back to buttons. Cancel button is redirecting to page. Actions. Just what we will tell, re-render, only one portion of the page will go to server. There is no server visit here. If you see submit button, something is scrolling here. You are observing some disturbance is happening in the page. Some blinking is happening in the page. Blinking is happening in the page. Cancel. Let me refresh again. This is the CSS style. CSS button background. The button background is yellow. Font size, font color is red. Width, if you see this button size and this button size, there is a difference. You observed this button size and this button size, there is a difference. Size difference is there because 100 pixels given. 100 pixels, this much size will come. Everyone getting my point?
Yes.
Right. Everyone able to execute this one without any errors? Without any errors?
Yes, sir.
Everyone able to execute? Right. Let me go to another concept. Practice all this example again and again. You understand also. Minimum 4 to 5 times you have to practice. X colon page block buttons. Colon page block buttons. Just now what you saw? Command buttons. Command buttons we saw now. Now we'll see page block buttons. It is a child component of page block. First point write down. It is a child component of page block. It is a child component of page block. Whatever we define in the page block buttons will be displayed in the header and footer of the page. You are seeing right here in the application, if you go, let me show you. If you click on new button, what is this one? Save and new, cancel. Save and new, cancel. If you go down also, save and new, cancel. You are getting my point. This is what you are going to create now. Page block buttons. This is called page block buttons. Page block buttons. Everyone clear?
Yes,
The
sir.
top and bottom. Top and bottom. Both the places is there. This is what we are going to create now. Write down first. Some attributes we'll see. Whatever we are defining, write down. Whatever we define in the page block buttons, whatever we are defining in the page block buttons, this will be displayed in the header and footer of page block. Header and footer of page block. Header and footer of page block. Attributes. Location. Location is one attribute. Location. What it will display? This will display the top and bottom. Top, bottom, all. Three properties will be there. For these three properties will be there. This will specify the location, where the content of the button should be displayed. possible values are top, comma, bottom, all. Top, bottom, and all. Even direction also we can give another attribute, that is direction, dir. Direction attributes. So this will specify the direction of the content. See how it will be RTL, LTR, RTL and LTR. Right to left, right to left, left to right, left to right. Here also we have another attribute called re-rendered property. Re-rendered. This is a Boolean value. There are two cases, right? Boolean means true or false conditions. True or false conditions, what will happen? We have to see. When set to true, when we set to true, content of the block will be displayed. Content of the block will be displayed. One understanding what is going on? Visual Force. Visual Force, everyone understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When we set to false, content of the block will be hidden. When set to false, content of the block will be hidden. Writing part everyone completed. Then we'll see the practical.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Create a visual force page. Page block. Page block. Page block buttons, right? Example. Page block buttons. Right on. Create a page, everyone. Visual force page you can create. So define the form. Apex colon form. Apex colon form. Apex colon form. Then create a page block. Page block. Everyone able to see? There is some network issue. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So define apex colon page block buttons. First page block we have to take, correct? Inside that page block, we have page block buttons. Inside the page block, we have page block buttons. The child content, right? Apex colon block buttons. Page block buttons. This is the way you have to create a page block buttons. Page block buttons. In this again, what we will create? Command buttons, right? Command buttons. Command button value equal to save, value equal to save. This is cancel. Cancel. So here if you see parent tag and child tag apex, sorry, visual force rules time I told, right? So this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. Page open, page close. Form open, form close. Page block open, page block close. Page block open, page block close. Page block buttons open and it is closed. Inside that buttons we created. Command buttons we created. Inside that commands we created. Right. Next, one more page block I will take. Apex colon page block. this page block, what we will take? Title equal to account. Title equal to account. So this is line 1. Some break here, line break we will give. Right, now up to here everyone complete and tell me, then we will see the preview. Everyone completed them.
Yes, sir.
We'll see the preview now. So how it will show. See here, this is the page block. So inside, if you write both the places, top and bottom, it is created. This is now another page block. This is, let me go to, so here it is, right? Page block buttons. This is the page block buttons. Another page block we are taking. That's why it is showing like that. One more page block content. This is another page block content. Everyone clear? The location, if you give page block buttons, if I give location, here location attribute, location only top if I give, what will happen? If I give top, location top, location top, if I give only top it is displaying. Only top it is displaying. Everyone observing? Side by side I just added, see here. Everyone clear? Top if you give, okay, let me give bottom. Bottom, BOTT, OM. Bottom if you give, page is refreshing automatically. It's down, it is displaying. It is displaying down. Is it displaying down? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So if you remove bottom and location completely, what will happen? Both the places it will display. Let me write some content here. So automatically it is refreshing. Automatically both the content. So here, just let me remove. If you are not mentioning anything, what will happen? Both the places it will display. If you are not mentioning anything, both the places it will display. Everyone clear this one? I will give one design, you can try later. This is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Example, right. Take the page design use case. You have to design this page and show me later. Take this design, everyone, in the notebook. Here you can display new customer, new customer. So inside this, I want page design like this. For this code I want from you people. So how you will do, what are all completed topics you have to use. Take two buttons here. Two buttons. Create button. Name. Name. This page design I want, show me in the next class for me.